For the single arm band punch, you want to wrap the end of your bar around something in between waist and shoulder height. So anywhere around there is fine. A doorknob works, anything where it's not going to move. And you're going to take it away from your anchor point. In one hand, opposite foot is in front. You're going to bend your knees and explosively punch forward, directly from the shoulder and forward. Rotate your hips a little bit to get more power. Pretend like you're actually punching. So go from one directly into the next one. This should be an explosive exercise. You should feel your core working to stabilize, and it's a great fast movement.